all over here are our internal color PVC. All the rows right here are from Ecoply wood. You can see from there is our Ecoply wood. You can actually see the Ecoply logo. So this is the authentication of our Ecoply wood for our internal color PVC. So all this process, they will shift in towards the next and then it will compress it for the Ecoply wood. So all the way, we can actually see they are cutting away the excess of the Ecoply internal color PVC. This is a 5-ply plywood. This is the 9-ply plywood. And Excel Ecoply is the very first company that come out with Ecoply Pro in lowest provider height and the safest in the market.
Introducing Ecoply Pro, the newly upgraded plywood in the market with an additional 55% improved screw withdrawal for an increased security, an additional 40% density, and an additional 54% in bending strength to better sustain heavy loads. Ecoply also has 60 times lower formaldehyde as compared to normal plywood, and you can simply scan the QR code below to access our formaldehyde test report. Lastly, if the formaldehyde levels in your home exceed 0.05 parts per million, Ecoply will reimburse you 3 times.
Today we are here to test out Ecoply Pro and versus normal plywood on their structure of the Ecoply. Let's start with the normal plywood. That's a bit scary. There's one leg down. Normal plywood is gone. This is Ecoply Pro. It is not broken. Look at the both. Ecoply Pro is still normal. But look at the normal plywood. It's already broken.
Shop now at excelhw.com.sg, a Singapore brand.